What's up, guys? It's Team Hard Life Captain Albert Sartucci here, and we got another unboxing video. And this one's kind of important for us because with everything we do here, we pretty much manufacture all of our own gear in-house, and or we custom make the gear. But in part of doing that, you got to bring in this part, this part, this part, this part, and put it all together. You know, it's like going grocery shopping. You know, you can buy a finished product, but at the same time too, a lot of people enjoy making it themselves. So for us, we bring in these parts. So check this one out.
Gotta buy. I think I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I gotta learn. I'ma call the whole team.
All right. So with this one, we got. Yep. Yes, sir. Got the 2020 version of the Batson Green Shadow and all of that. You know what I mean? So Batson Enterprises carries Alps and Forecast and a whole bunch of other things, but at the same time too, we need to be able to know what they carry. So this is their most up-to-date version of their catalog. So that's great, you know. Yeah, rod building parts and stuff. Ooh, look at them colors. Those are really nice. Really nice. Look at them colors. So, on that same note, we got some rod butts right there. We're going to custom make some fishing rods. Got another small calendar or catalog there. Hey, they gave us a cap. Cool. Check that one out. That looks pretty cool. I like that. Need some cargo jeans or some Carhartts to wear with that in the winter. Now we've got some guides. We got quite a bit of guides actually. Yes, sir. These are all the guides for this specific type. We got the XB, HX, NZG 10, 12, 16, and 20s. All right. Then we got the tips in the three sizes right there as well. We got 20, 18, and 22. We've got the size 25s. Got 10 or 12, 16, 20, and 25. And these are all the guides for the other batch of one that we've ordered. As you can tell, it's a different kind of format of the guide. Let's do this real quick. I think I'll do that. cool.